Hi pilots, just letting you know straight away because a lot of you would have seen this video already. I'm reposting this video, right? It's the one where I smashed up my Pandora. Well, the reason why I'm reposting it, YouTube blocked it in certain countries. So I know my mate, he didn't get to see it, right? And I know a couple of other people mentioned. So I'm reposting it and just changing the music. But hopefully you'll realise that because I'll put something like repost across the thumbnail or something like that. Okay then, I just wanted to let you know it's a repost, right? So if anyone starts to watch anything, I've bloody seen this, he put this on last week, you know what I mean? So that's why. Okay then, sorry for any confusion to anybody, and to the people that hadn't seen it, you'll understand why I'm doing the rebuild. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, cheers. Hello pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel. I've got the old FPV Pandora Freewing from Motion RC, got that out again today, and basically come to a different area. You may have seen it before if you follow my videos. I brought my quad here and did that balloon thing which went to pop, but just over my right shoulder there's the river Humber, so I thought I might get some shots with the plane near the Humber and stuff like that, but we'll see what happens. Plus there's nobody about, so I've got a bit of a runway. Okay then pilots and ground crew, let's get the Pandora into the air and check out some FPV views. Cheers. Well, unfortunately pilots, you don't actually get to see the crash. You will get to see the aftermath of hair in bits in the tree though, so keep watching. No, I was using the Runcam Split 2 on the FPV setup, and with that, when the battery gets ejected, unfortunately the recording jumps back about 15 seconds, something like that. So because the battery came out, I lose the actual last bit of the flight, where the plane actually crashes into them trees just to the left of the picture. But if you notice, sort of like in the middle down at the bottom, there's a park bench. There was an old guy sat on that, so I was only about 15-20 foot away from him when it came down, so I was a bit lucky I didn't hit him, right? And I did apologise to him, but he was fine. You do see him for a quick second at the beginning of the next bit, so let's move on and let you see the poor bugger in pieces in the tree. Capture that for prosperity in the camera. I've got a YouTube channel and I was actually doing it to show you how to set up with the goggles. That's a bloody good crash, right? Yeah, so in bits. Oh, I'm surprised the wing survived. Well, pilots, back home again, and she's a mess. She is a mess. You want to take a look? Let's take a look. Yeah. The wing, joking apart, the wing ain't too bad. Servo's jammed there. This flap is snapped, so that could get repaired. Servo's not a problem, but the wing didn't do too bad. The mounting bracket is completely snapped, so that would need replacing. But the main problem is there. That's a mess. The FPV camera, that stayed on, but yeah, the friggin' elevator, rudder, but the bloody nose, as you can see, it's snapped in half. I haven't taken a close look at it yet, because I've literally just got in. So there's a 1 in a million chance, or a 1 in 1,000. Because I have, and this time it's not like the AXN when I conned you all as like a joke and the rebuild. I will show you as I go along. I keep a box, right, in the spare room, right, a big box. It's like a bloody wardrobe. And it's jam-packed with all bits of foam and EPO foam from old planes and models. It's jam-packed full of it. And I've got a hot wire cutter, a foam cutter, you know what I mean. Right, and occasionally I've got pieces, cut them out to fit other models and stuff like that, but I really don't know if that is salvageable, we're fixing or being able to fix. Salvageable, that'll do, salvageable, there you got it. Right, but I really don't know if it is this one, but we'll have a good look and see what happens. Obviously not today. Bloody Sunday as well, it's Sunday the 15th of July, hottest day of the year, absolutely scorch. I was hoping to burst out a few packs as well with my quad, because I took my quad with me, but I wanted to get this back, and I couldn't have it all in bits at my feet while I was trying to fly my quad, because let's be honest, you sort of like your emotions drop a bit and you think, okay, so I thought I'll bugger it, pack up, come back. There'll be other days, just happens to be a scorcher today. Anyhow, pilots and ground crew, there you go then. I blame prop gear, you see. Took the pee out of me, made me so frustrated with him when I was flying, you see. I was just thinking, oh, prop gear, you get really taking the mick out of me. And that's what made me cry. No, only joking, bro, only joking, mate. Now, what it was, completely and utterly my fault, right? It wasn't any technical issues, well it was, but yeah, it was my fault. As I was flying, alright, you'll see, or would have seen in the video, alright, I'll even mention it in the video if I remember, because I ain't even looked at the video yet. But I've got trees behind me, and I lost my orientation, right, and I actually flew nearly, well, nowhere near a mile, but a good 400 feet behind me and away from me, and there was thick trees over that side as well. Hopefully the video caught it as she came down, because what had happened was the FPV camera just went blank. Right, I lost signal completely. It crackled a little bit, then it went blank. Right, which isn't a fault of the AKK, it's because it couldn't receive a signal from where I was stood with the trees behind me and where the plane was with all the trees and the interference and stuff like that. Just lost signal. So the second the screen went blank, I knew there was water below me and water on the right of me, shall we say. Right, and I didn't want to go that way, because so the screen was blank. So I banked her over left, right, towards the field, and nosedived to the left, thinking that'll bring it down. And I got my goggles off, and of course turned round, couldn't see a thing because of the trees behind me. Right, run round the back, and a kid come up to us on a motorbike. And he goes, "Your plane's in that tree over there, mister." Cheers, mate, thanks. Is it in one piece? No, lots of different pieces, mister. It's all bits of pieces. Real nice lad. He was on one of them little motorbike things. I don't know, you might see a clip of him on the Mobius when I took a quick picture of it, which you'll see, which you would have already seen, but I've only just got back. Anyhow, pilots and ground crew, I'll leave it there. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the flight and the magnificent landing. I've crashed this plane a few times actually and had to do work on it, but that is the worst crash I've ever had. You know what I mean? I've never had it bits like this. I've had little jobs to do, replace little things and stuff. Never out bad like that. Anyhow then, yeah, like I said, my fault. I've explained why, so I won't say again. So thanks for watching. Hope I give some of you a laugh. Prop gear. Only joking. He's a good lad. He's a good lad. Takes the pee out of me, he did in one of his videos, but he's a good lad. Okay then, pilots. Thanks for watching and cheers.